Come on, Nikki, pretend you're having a rave.
Yeah, man.
Na 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 na, come on. Get our very special jump. Baba. There's not much else we can spell Baba with it, but that's about it. I think she used to want to be a jockey, is that it is. Is it recording? Actually, what do you
The cameras.
can't fit him on. He's too big.
I can't put him in.
Lauren smells like shite. He's so high up. I can see him roll tops and stables.
Caught the fence and ran through, and whenever I went to open the gate, I got a shock off the gate.
Spanner.
I didn't know it was on the fence, and I went through me and into Phoebe, and Phoebe was just like, what the hell? I was just like, okay, horse.
Go on, just for
Go on. Go on, just for the crack.
Come on, for the crack, come on.
Go on. Yeah! Rob, get off me now. Get off me now. Rob is feeling a horny. Get the fuck off.
Do it, hang on.
Go again.
Hang on one more time.